Hi traders! Today, we'll be looking at the Adaptive Trend Finder Indicator, a tool that helps you find trends in the market with great accuracy. You can use it for trading stocks, Forex, or crypto. In today's video, we'll walk you through each feature of the Adaptive Trend Finder, show you how to set it up, and how to use it effectively in real trading situations. Stick around until the end, because we'll be testing a couple of buy and sell trades using this indicator to see how it performs in live markets. What is the Adaptive Trend Finder? The Adaptive Trend Finder gives you a clearer picture of the market by identifying key trend channels, spotting breakout and breakdown points, and helping you forecast potential price movements. Setting up the indicator on your chart is easy. Click on Indicators in TradingView. Search for Adaptive Trend Finder. Select the indicator, and it will automatically apply to your chart. That's all you need to get started. Let's take a quick look at the key features of the Adaptive Trend Finder indicator. Trend channel detection automatically finds both long-term and short-term trends. This helps you see if the market is going up or down in the short term or over a longer period. Projection confidence shows how strong the trend is. It tells you if the trend is strong or weak, helping you decide if it's a good time to buy or sell. Future projections shows where the price might go next by extending the current trend. This helps you plan your trades by showing possible future price levels. Now let's delve into the components of the Adaptive Trend Finder by adjusting the settings. In the Inputs tab, you will find various options to customize the indicator. Let's start with the source setting. This allows you to choose which price point the indicator will use for calculations. You can select from options like open, high, low, or close. Typically, using the closing price gives you a reliable representation of market trends, but feel free to choose based on your strategy. Next, we have the Use Long-Term Channel option. Enabling this will switch the indicator to focus on longer-term trends. The deviation multiplier adjusts how wide or narrow the trend channel is. Increasing the multiplier will widen the channel and capture larger price movements. Lowering it will narrow the channel for more detailed trend detection. In the Line Style section, you can customize how the trend channel lines appear on your chart. You can choose from solid, dotted, or dashed styles depending on your preference for visual clarity. Now, let's move to the Extend settings. You can choose how far the trend lines extend. Selecting Extend Right will project the lines into the future, helping you anticipate where the trend might go. You can also control the fill transparency between the trend lines. A higher transparency setting will make the fill between the trend lines less visible, while a lower setting will make it more prominent. This is useful if you want a clearer view of the trend without too much visual clutter. Next is the Line Transparency setting, which adjusts how visible the trend channel lines themselves are. This can help you balance clarity with the overall look of your chart. The midline settings allow you to customize the center line of the trend channel. You can change its color, set its transparency, adjust its width, and choose a line style, dotted, solid, or dashed to suit your preferences. In the table settings, you can enable the Show Auto-Selected Period option. This automatically displays the period that the indicator finds most relevant based on the strongest trend correlation, making it easier for you to analyze trends. You can also enable Show Trend Strength to display the strength of the detected trend. This helps gauge the reliability of the current market direction. For a deeper statistical analysis, enable Show Pearson. This setting shows the Pearson correlation coefficient, which measures how closely price movements align with the trend direction. Lastly, the Show Trend Annualized Return option displays the compound annual growth rate of the trend over the auto-selected period. This feature is available on daily and weekly timeframes, providing insight into the potential yearly growth rate if the trend continues. For this video, I'll mainly use the default settings, with the only adjustment being the table position, which I'll change to the middle left. Then click OK. Next, we're going to explore how we can use the Adaptive Trend Finder indicator in our trade. Buy trade setup. The chart shows that the price is moving within an upward trend channel, and the great thing about this setup is that the indicator automatically detects these trend channels for you. This removes the guesswork from spotting potential buying opportunities. In this case, the indicator has identified that the price is nearing the lower boundary of the trend channel, signaling a strong buy trade setup. The best entry point is after the price creates support at the lower trend channel. The trend strength is labeled as very strong, giving further confidence in the continuation of the upward trend. For the stop loss, place the stop loss slightly below the most recent swing low point. For your take profit target, you can aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Now, let's see how the buy trade plays out. Let's switch to the Bitcoin chart. It's actually a sell setup trade, as the chart shows a clear downward trend, with the Adaptive Trend Finder automatically detecting the trend channel. The best entry point is after the price makes a fake out and closes back into the channel. The trend strength is labeled as moderately strong, giving reasonable confidence in the continuation of the downward trend. Place the stop loss level slightly above the recent swing high, minimizing risk if the trade moves against the position. For your take profit target, you can aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is double the risk. In this case, the take profit target is near the lower boundary of the channel, where the price is expected to find support. Now, let's see how the sell trade plays out. Still on the Bitcoin chart, it's actually a buy setup trade, as the chart shows a strong upward trend, with the Adaptive Trend Finder automatically detecting the trend channel. The price approached the lower boundary of the trend channel, signaling a potential buy setup. However, we can see a fake out below the trend line, where the price briefly moved below the channel before quickly closing back inside, indicating a false breakdown. The best entry point is after the fake out, when the price closes back inside the channel. The trend strength is labeled as very strong, giving further confidence in the continuation of the upward trend. Place the stop loss level slightly below the fake out low, minimizing risk if the trade moves against the position. For your take profit target, you can aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is double the risk. Now, let's see how the buy trade plays out. Still on the Bitcoin chart, it's actually a sell setup trade, as the chart shows a clear downward trend, with the Adaptive Trend Finder automatically detecting the trend channel. The price approached the upper boundary of the trend channel, signaling a potential sell setup. The best entry point is after the formation of the bearish engulfing candle. The trend strength is labeled as strong, giving reasonable confidence in the continuation of the downward trend. Place the stop loss level slightly above the upper boundary of the trend channel, minimizing risk if the trade moves against the position. For your take profit target, you can aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is double the risk. Now let's see how the sell trade plays out. Let's switch to the Ethereum chart. It's actually a buy setup trade, as the chart shows a strong upward trend, with the Adaptive Trend Finder automatically detecting the trend channel. The price approached the lower boundary of the trend channel, signaling a potential buy setup. The best entry point is after the formation of the bullish engulfing candle. The trend strength is labeled as very strong, giving further confidence in the continuation of the upward trend. Place the stop loss level slightly below the lower boundary of the trend channel, minimizing risk in case the trade moves against the position. For your take profit target, you can aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning the potential reward is double the risk. Now, let's see how the buy trade plays out. And that wraps up our overview of the Adaptive Trend Finder indicator. By adjusting the settings for your trading style, using strong buy and sell signals, and applying careful risk management, you can use this tool to improve your trading success. Remember, always test your strategies before trading live and adjust your risk tolerance accordingly. Thanks for watching.